What's up, design fans? Today I'll show you how to download Illustrator for free on any PC, Mac, or laptop. Let's jump straight into the steps. Step 1. Go to the video description and click the link labeled Adobe Illustrator Free Trial. It'll take you directly to Adobe's official site, which is safe and secure, making the process a breeze. Once you're on the site, click Start Free Trial and choose the individual plan. This gives you 7 days of full access to everything Illustrator offers. No limitations, just pure creative freedom. You may also notice an option to try Adobe Stock. If you leave it checked, Adobe gives you 10 premium assets for free. And the best part, you can keep them even if you cancel before your trial ends. Next, sign into your Adobe account or create one if you're new. It only takes a minute. Adobe will ask for a payment method, but you won't be charged as long as you cancel before your 7 days are up. Just set a reminder on your phone so you don't forget, and rest assured, the cancellation process is straightforward. After signing in, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Open it, search for Illustrator, hit install, and let the process complete. Depending on your connection, it might take a few minutes. And that's it. You now have access to Adobe Illustrator entirely free for 7 days. Whether you're into logos, icons, vector art, or illustration work, this is your chance to dive in and explore. If this walkthrough saved you time, please like it and subscribe for more no-fluff tech tutorials. Questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching. See you at the next one.